Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So finally I have something good to say after a lot of troublesome time that we both Americans and Canadians have gone through in recent times in terms of the trade war or tariff war, whatever you term. So now this introduction of tariff has been paused for 30 days at least, and the same has been announced by Canada. Canada too has paused all the retaliatory measures for at least 30 days, and it has been done with Mexico also. And yes, I really appreciate the efforts that both governments are taking. Like, if there's a problem, I think it's always good to sit and fix rather than. I don't want to get into politics because I have always kept my channel away from politics, and today also I'm doing the same. But what I would say that this step is a nice step, that instead of dealing with this problem in this tariff war, let's like the announcements have been made, like joint task force designated some cartels as terrorist organizations, and 1.3 billion investment with more surveillance eyes on border means, and Mexico has also agreed like 10,000 soldiers will head towards the border to protect. Canada has also said. So this is a very good initiative and a good work. Like if there's a combined problem that both are dealing, because if illegal items, drugs, and smuggling activities of illegal people are going across the border from both sides, both need to sit together and find a solution that suits both of them. So I really appreciate this step, and hopefully it's not just for 30 days, hopefully it goes much longer, and hopefully all governments take necessary decisions and maintain things in a better way. So this is finally something really good is coming, and I really appreciate this initiative. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really relieved, at least for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.